friends, welcome to the Tech Listen channel. So friends, today I am doing unboxing of HP laptop in front of you, which is HP 250 G7. And friends, I will tell some details like specification and features about this laptop during the unboxing of this laptop. So friends, let us start the unboxing. So friends, it comes with Intel 10th generation Core i3 1005 G1 processor. So friends, now I am talk about the specification of this laptop. This laptop comes with 4 GB RAM and 512 GB SSD. And friend, it comes with integrated Intel UHD graphics card. And friends, this laptop has 15.6-inch Full HD display. And friends, if I talk about the weight of this laptop weighs 1 kg 780 grams. And friend, it comes with Windows 10.